In this tutorial, you'll learn about the leapfrogging functionality available for paving and snow groomer machines. We'll demonstrate leapfrogging using a slipform paver, which must maintain a consistent speed to ensure high-quality results. Leapfrogging makes it easier to reposition total stations without interrupting production. To perform a manual leapfrog, start from the run screen with at least 4 total stations connected. On the left, you can see your primary and spare left total station. On the right is your secondary and spare right total station. To perform a primary leap, simply press the primary total station. For a machine with only 3 total stations connected, switch the spare total station from left to right with the swap button. If more than 4 total stations are connected, you can use the toggle function to decide which should be the active spare. You can also enable automatic leapfrogging. Go to the main menu and press Positioning. Press Next and then Leapfrog Settings. Here you need to adjust the 2D and height tolerances. Then set the minimum and maximum leapfrog distances between total stations and prisms. 5 to 100 meters is recommended. Enable Auto Leap to automatically switch to the spare total station if the primary or secondary one is obstructed, runs out of battery, or exceeds the maximum distance. To manage any slight deviations between total stations, you can enable Taper Out Distance. You can also enable Smart Spare for advanced functionality. For more details, watch our separate video on Smart Spare. If you want to receive a pop-up message when a leap occurs, you can enable that as well. Press OK to apply your changes. Here's an example of how it works. This machine has accidentally blocked the line of sight to the secondary total station. The spare automatically takes over as secondary total station, and the orange total station searches for the prism. Once the line of sight is restored, the total station automatically locks back onto the prism, now operating as the left spare. And that's how you use the leapfrogging functionality in the MC1 paving solution. Thanks for watching.